Good morning children. Today our topic is place value and face value of the encircled digit. See here. Place value and face value of the encircled digit. See. PV. PV means place value. PLACE place. VALUE value. FV means FACE face. VALUE value. See here, place value and face value. The place value of a number will change. Whether it may be hundreds place, tens place, thousands place, it will be changing. But the face value of that number will not change. See here, for example, 345. See here, please write each number in one box. See how we have written for writing words and writing figures like that. Here also when you are writing the numbers, write each number in one box. See here, now 345. So now I am encircling 4 number. So now you have to write PV and FV, place value and face value of 4. So after writing the number, write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. See here. Now PV. PV means place value of 4. Here, what is the place value of 4? In which place the 4 is there? Tens place. 4 tens, 40. So, place value of 4 is in 40. And here, face value. Face value of 4 is equal to 4. What will call this number? Face value means its own name. See, for example, when you joined in the school, you will be calling with one name. For example, Sandika. Your name is Sandika. You are studying in nursery. After nursery, you will be going to LKG. You are changing the class, but you are not changing your name. Now you came to second class. Did you change your name? No, just you have changed the class. In the same way, the number will be changing its place. From ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, it will be changing. But its face value will not change, like your name. See, one day you will be sitting in first bench. One day you will be sitting in the last bench in class. See, you are changing the benches. One day one bench, one day one bench. But you are not changing your name. In the same way, the place value of the number changes from one place to another. But the face value of the number will not change. See here, another example. 682. Again see here. Write one number, one box, one number, one box. After writing the number, write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. Now see here, I am encircling this 6 number. So now you have to write the place value and face value of 6. See here. PV. PV means what? Place value of which number? 6 is equal to. So 6 is in which place? Hundreds place. 600. So the place value of 6 is 600. And here FV. FV means face value. Face value of 6. What is the face value of 6? 6. Its number name is 6. So the face value will not change. And here another example. See here. 155. See here you are having 2 5s, but they are in different places. Again write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. See here. Now here I am circling 5. See, now we have to write the place value of this 5. See, PV place value of 5 is equal to. So in which place 5 is there? In ones place. So you have to write 5 ones. And what is the face value of 5? 5. Because its name is 5. You cannot change the face value. See another example. 708. See 7 1 box, 0 1 box, 8 1 box. Now write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. See. Now here I am encircling for 0. See here. See. Now place value. PV place value of 0 is equal to. Place value of 0. 0 is having any place value here? No. 0 means nothing. It is in tens place. So tens place. Tens place means you are getting 2 digits. You can write 2 zeros or 1 0. Because 0 is not having any value here. And here face value. Face value of 0 is equal to 0. Face value of 0 is equal to 0. Its name is 0. So it can't change the face value. Did you understand? See, I'll show you another example. So, PV face value, FV face value. Now see here. 482. See, I am just taking only one number. See how the number, it will changes its place value. But the number, face value of the number will not change. For example, I am taking 4 here. See, I am encircling 4 here. After writing the number, write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. See here. Place value PV place value of 4 is equal to. In which place 4 is there? 4 is in hundreds place. So 400. And FV of 4. Face value of 4. Face value of 4 is only 4. Is it clear? Now here the same number I am taking in different place value. See here. 745. See. Write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. Now here I am encircling again for 4. See the difference here. Place value. Place value of 4 is equal to. Now what is the place value of 4? Here it is in tens place. See, it is changing. So 4 tens, 40. And face value FV of 4. Face value of 4 is equal to 4. See the difference. See the number. The face value of the number is same 4 only. But it is changing the place values. See here 4 is in hundreds place and here 4 is in tens place. It is changing. So the place value of a number will change. But the face value of the number will not change. See here again. 934. Again I am encircling for 4. Write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. Now see here. PV place value of 4 is equal to. See 4 is in. Now here 4 is in hundreds place. Here 4 is in tens place. And here 4 is in ones place. So 4 ones. 4 ones 4. And face value of 4 is equal to 4. See here. Face value of 4 4. Face value of 4 4. Face value of 4 4. So the face value will not change. Only the place value will be changing. See, 4 in hundreds place, 4 in tens place, 4 in ones place. Changing its place from here and there. See, another example. See, 532. Write one number in one box and write the place values, ones, tens, hundreds. Now see here, I am encircling for 5. See, now you have to write the face value and place value of 5. See here, PV, place value of 5 is equal to. So 5 is in which place? Hundreds place. So 500. And FV of 5 is equal to. What is the face value of 5? 5. Face value will not change. Only the place value will be changing. I hope you have understood. So after listening to this video, I have given homework in the PDF. Write the homework in classwork book. See here. When you are writing, please write in one box. One number, one box. Thank you.